school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge DCC, we are a team. At Woodbridge DCC, we will reach our dreams.
All right, we're in the month of April, and it is the 26th day of April. Let's sing our Days of the Week song and figure out what day of the week it is. Oh, but yeah, it's not time for that, is it? Here we go.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. There's Sunday and Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week.
Probably not sharing.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday.
Let go of the mouse. And then Saturday. All right, we sang our Days of the Week song, and today is Monday, April 26th, 2021. Let's take a look at our pattern here. Let's start right here. We have the flowers and we have the clouds. So we're going to start right here. Flower, flower, clouds, cloud. Flowers, flowers, cloud. There we go. Put a cloud down here. Remember, we have no school on Wednesday. Bring that over there. Let's go ahead and look at the weather. What kind of weather do we have outside today, my friends? Sunny weather today. Because of what? What makes it chilly? The wind. That's exactly right. It's a chilly wind today. That's right. You have to put your jackets on because it's so chilly. Okay, what kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? What do we think?
Sunny.
Sunny weather. I like that.
I know. Sunny weather.
There we go. We're putting it right there in our prediction. We're going to go ahead and say the alphabet together. Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Right. Go ahead. We're going to count.
1, 2.
Hold on. We're going to count all together, but I want to be able to hear all of my friends, not just one friend, okay? All right, ready? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
let's count backwards from 10, starting at 10. Ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level!
All right, moving on to our shapes. My friend on the purple square, what shape is this? Good job. What color is it?
Green.
My friend on the blue square up front, what shape is this?
Blue.
What shape is it? What shape is it, everyone?
Square.
What color is it? What shape is this, my red square friend? Octagon. What color is that? My friend back here on orange, what shape is this? I'm sorry, here. What shape is this? You, orange.
What shape is that?
Good. What else do we call that? Rhombus. Good job. My friend in the middle in the green. On the green square, what shape is this?
Heart.
Good job. What color is it?
Purple.
No. Try again.
Pink.
Good job. My friend back here on the blue. What shape is this?
I don't know.
Triangle.
Triangle.
What color is that triangle? My friend. What color is it? All right, friends, help them out. What color is that?
Orange.
Good job. Moving on to our colors. What color is anger?
Red.
What color is disgust?
Green.
What color is sadness?
Blue.
My friend at home. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
All right, what is this? A penny, and it's worth
1 cent.
1 cent. This is a nickel. What is it? Nickel. How many pennies can I have for a nickel? 5. This is worth 5 pennies. So I can have 1 nickel, or I can have 5 pennies. This is a dime. A dime. I can have 1 dime, or I can have 2 nickels, or I can have 10 pennies. They're all equal the same. Penny, dime, nickel. Our new one this week is a quarter. Quarter's the big one that you want to be able to get a soda out of the machine, or probably anything out of the gumball. When you put it in, you turn it and get something out. You have to have a quarter. Probably 4 of them now. But you can have 5 nickels to have a quarter. Or you can have 2 dimes and a nickel, and you would equal a quarter. Or you can have 25 pennies to equal 1 quarter. All right, we've learned the letters R, B, P, D, J, S, G, Q, O, C, U, I, T, H, E, F, L. This week we're working on the letter K. K says K. Let me hear it. What does K say? Like kangaroo and kite. Both start with the letter K. K has 2 little slides. One slide's going to slide in. One slide's going to slide out. Let's go ahead and get our mats and our pieces.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? Or is the bottom? Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Or is the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach up, touch the top.
That's 1.
Reach down.
Oh, that's 2.
Way down. Is that the bottom?
All right, have your pieces out. Pieces at the top. Mess with my mouth. All your pieces are at the top. We're making the letter K today. The letter K starts with a big line under Mr. Matt's smiling face. I'm going to this little curve. I don't need it anymore. Friends. Sitting quietly. We're going to grab our little line and we're going to put it at the top. It's going to slide in. Oh, sorry, friends. Go ahead and grab your big line and put it on Mr. Matt's smiling face first.
My friend.
Big line first. That was my fault.
Good job. Big line down.
Now our little line with the slide in. Chill. Now I'm going to grab a little line. That was very nice of you. And put the slide out. We have two slides on the letter K. We have a slide in and a slide out. I like to imagine this as a big slide at like McDonald's or someplace, and I climb up. I pretend the K line up is a ladder, and I jump over to here, and I slide down, whee! And then I slide down, whee! That looks like so much fun. So we should have our little lines on. My friend in the back. All the lines should be on.
All the pieces on. Little line in. Little line out.
Other little line, my friend. Little slide in. Yep. Little slide out.
Little slide in. Little slide out.
All right, we're sitting crisscross applesauce. Hands are in lap. Listening ears are on, and your eyes are on the board. And I say, big line down. Frog jump over. Little slide in. Little slide out. One more time. My turn. Listening ears are on. Inside voices are off. Eyes are on the board. I say, big line down. Frog jump over. Little slide in. Little slide out. You do it with me now. Fingers at the top. Waiting for all my friends to get their fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump over. Little slide in. Little slide out. All right, let's do it one more time. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump over. Little slide in. Little slide out. And what letter did we make? K. What letter? K. What does K say? Excellent job. Nice building today. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time, and we will see you tomorrow.